Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw the twins, I guess from the Hutt clan, like basically like Jabba the Hutt, from the book of Boba Fett. They're going to be together here kind of in like one gelatinous shape. I call this one very easy, so yeah, let's get on with it, alright? Hopefully you've been watching Book of Boba Fett. I have. I'm not sponsored or anything by it or anything, but I just think it's a really good show. So if you're a Star Wars fan, definitely check it out. Alright, let's start with the mouth of, because they're brother and sister. One looks like exactly like Boba Fett. Not Boba, what did I say? Jabba the Hutt. One looks exactly like Jabba the Hutt, one doesn't. They basically look like piles of, like, I don't know, syrup or like ice cream. So we got that one right there with the mouth. Gonna go right here to the nose. Circle for one nose here, circle for the other nostril, I'm sorry, nostril. Down here for the eye area, and I'm going to go over here as well for the other eye area. And the brow is going to pull up. Line over here. Curve. Go over here to the other side. Line over here. Curve. Dot over here for the iris and pupil. And I'm going to throw like some bags under the eyes right here. I'm drawing pretty much with a very thin line. If you're doing this in pencil, you probably have an easier time. Don't forget to request some drawings if there's some drawings you want to see, whether it be from this show or any other show or movie. I will absolutely try to get to do it. Line over here, line over here. And I'm going to go in here and I'm going to draw his head, which is like a big old pile. I don't know. Just looks like a, like I said, ice cream or something. Bam over here, bam over here. Go over here. Line over here. Got that kind of a smile thing going on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna thicken out that smile because it's kind of carries a lot of shadow, I noticed. And we'll do little lines in a bit here. Do that. Underneath the neck. I'm going to draw the arm over here. He's got this kind of big arm over here. Curve. Right there. We got that arm. He's got like a kind of a, I don't know. It's definitely not normal, but he's got like this nubby hand. Let's draw his sister over here, which is shorter. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw the large shape first. About down. And I'm going to try to keep it on the page here. Okay? And she's going to, basically they're slugs, right? I think that's what they're based on. Curl over here on this side, pull across. In over here. It's gonna pull up because it's kind of leaning on her. Arm might go off the page a little bit, but we're gonna catch his body right here. Alright, so we got these two slug shapes. Let's go over here for her. She is gonna have this big giant eye thing as well. Eye over here, but that's gonna be just like she has like this sleepier look. So we're gonna have a line there, line there, line here, line here, and now we're gonna go over here to the nose. It's got that, like, I don't know what you call it, like pig nose. Dot over here, dot over here. And her, we're gonna draw, it's gonna be like a line, but it's gonna be more of like a blah. It's gonna go downward, almost like a frown. And her arm's gonna go off the page here. Literally, the rest of this, like the rest of this is gonna be textured lines because they're like folds like that, fold around here, fold around here when they're like all basically like lying on top of each other. It's literally just like folds upon folds upon folds. After that, if there's any character from this show you want to see, let me know. I'll make it happen. But right now I'm drawing thinner lines. Also the marker's dying. That's another reason why I'm drawing thinner. But generally thinner lines. Whoops, so easy. Seems like every marker I grab is like on the way out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe. I don't know if I said that already, but I draw tons of characters, and most people here are not subscribed. So make this the video that you do subscribe on. It will. There's no downside to it. Basically, it just kind of shows up on your feed every now and then, and you can see what I'm drawing. See, I'm just kind of following the flow, and I'm drawing these little lines here and there to create a texture. But like I said, there's no downside, and it's pretty awesome to just kind of, you know, basically like all you're doing is little textures. I find details like that really, really fun to do. Same thing here, just following the curve, right? Because it's a worm. Over here, you know, they're just gelatinous blobs, I guess. Kind of reminds me of like Slimer, and it's kind of up to you where you want to end, honestly. But you could just kind of keep it going right here for like a while. Like there's almost no, I wouldn't say like no stopping, but line over here, line over here. Line over here. Again, you're just throwing lines right there at the direction at which we're doing this. If you really want, you can throw thicker lines kind of in certain areas right here. Like if you want, you can throw maybe thicker lines at the bottom here, because they're gonna be shadow involved a little bit, maybe, right, with the sun hitting on them. But I would say these things are incredibly fun to draw, because all it is just a lot of, like, you know, this stuff. Let me know if you watch the show. Hit me up. And I think that should be about it. I think that's it, because the arm is over here. So arm's out. You can maybe draw her hand coming in and coming out again right there to show that she has a hand. And they're being carried around everywhere, so it's kind of funny. They're just kind of being carried around the entire time, like on this plaque or whatever, like a bunch of people marching them around. Anyways, that's it. I want to thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Stay around for the announcement, and I'll talk to you next time, all right? Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons, so you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally The site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.